Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install GOLANG in your Linux system. So first thing you must have noticed is I am using a Mac. Now the setup I have inside my Mac is a Debian based container. So this is the shell for that. Let me show you. We will see which is the version which we are running. You can see I am using Debian and the release is 12. Now we are going to follow certain steps. Step 1, we will go to the GOLANG's official download page, download the binaries which will be in a compressed format. Step 2, we will be clearing out any previous installations of the GOLANG in our system. Okay, and the next step would be we will be putting all the binaries unzipped inside the appropriate folder. And finally we are going to add that Go binaries in our system path so that any user can access across the terminal. So let's get started. We will open up our browser. We will go to the GOLANG's official page. Just type GOLANG install or GOLANG. It should take you to the download page. Now next thing, we will click on this Linux tab for seeing all the commands. Let's go ahead and click on the download. So we are interested in Linux and we will be downloading this tar file. So right click on it, copy the link address. Now you go back to your terminal, then type wget and paste the URL. As you can see, it downloaded the Go binary. Now what we are going to see, we are going to clear our screen. Let's see whether it has come in. Yeah, I'm in the root folder. You can see the Go tar file has been downloaded in our system. Next thing what we are going to do is we are going to clear any previous Go installation in our system. So for that, let's go back to our browser. Click back. So here they have given some commands. We are going to break this command into two. So first let's copy this part. Let's paste it. So what does it do? So it checks in the user local directory whether any Go folder is there, right? So user local directory is generally in Linux. If you bring in some third-party application and install it, you will have the binaries here. So we are going to run this command to clear out any previous installation. We'll go back to the browser. We'll take this part of the command. You can actually copy the entire command together and run it. This command will put our unzip all the folders and binaries in that compressed format to the user local directory. Right, that's where our Go binaries will reside and all the necessary dependencies with it. Right, let's run this command. Go has been installed in our system, but let's try Go version whether it's available. As you can see, this is not available here. Why? Because we haven't added to our system path. Right, we want to access Go across our terminal, right, across our directories. Wherever I am, in whichever directory I want to use Go, then I have to add it to the system path. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to modify a file which is in the etc folder, that is vim etc profile. So this file has the system wide configuration. So whenever a user log in interactively, all the environment variables or all the configurations associated with that gets loaded in. Okay, so this is where we want to add our Go to our system path. So we will go back to our browser. So you can see this command export path. So this is where we are adding that. We'll copy this and we will paste it here. Now let's save this file wq. I'm using an alacrity shell. So wq, so it saves that file. Next is we need to either close this terminal and restart the terminal. Since I'm running this Debian as a container. If I press the exit command, I will be exited out of this container. So what we will do is we will reload this file in tell session. This is the command for the source etc profile. This should reload it. Next we will try again Go version. As you can see, we have installed Go in our Linux system successfully. Thank you everyone for joining in. I hope this video is being useful to you. Do share this video with anyone who is having difficulty installing GOLANG in their Linux system. Thank you and have a nice day.